Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. GMK. With this one, we want to take you through how you can actually transfer your chats from your iPhone back on your new Android phone. They could be chats you don't want to miss, you don't want to lose, and so we are going to take you through by that particular YouTube tutorial. We move straight to the point. So quickly go on WhatsApp. Go on WhatsApp. Come to settings here. Come to the settings here. And then you scroll up. So come to chats here. Chat. We have chat wallpaper, save to camera roll. Scroll up, chat backup, export chat, keep chats, and then we have here move chat to Android. Move chats to Android. So let's see what is written here. Move chat to Android. Transfer your chat history and media to your new Android phone. You will not be able to transfer later if you skip. So they are just telling us if you want to do it now, you can start. Transfer to a different phone number. With a different phone number, you are good to go. So basically, this is how it is. I am not ready to undertake any chat transfer, but it's just to guide whoever is in dire need of this. I remain GMK with Tech Media GH. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you see this helpful. So when I start right now, it will start, transferring the chats as well. So that is it. See you in our subsequent videos. Weekly we upload videos. Consider subscribing. Share the video with friends. Bye.